Hi, I'm Andrew from 1A Auto. How do you tell if your shocks and struts are bad? Well, shocks and struts are integral but often overlooked parts that help your vehicle get down the road. Shock absorbers can be damaged by large potholes, corrosion from road salt, or simply wear out from use. Does your car ride rougher or bounce more than once after hitting a bump? When braking hard or during a panic stop, does the front of the car nosedive excessively? You can also test shocks or struts by pushing down on the corner of the vehicle. It should not bounce back more than once. You can also raise and support the vehicle with the wheels removed and check for oil leaking out of the shocks or struts. If one has failed, it will likely be an oily dirt sludge buildup on the body of the shock absorbers or struts. Most vehicles on the road today use a strut type suspension, which in the simplest explanation is a coil spring placed around a shock absorber. The spring supports the weight of the car and allows the suspension to soak up rough roads. The spring stores this energy as it's compressed over the bump and then releases it. If you only had springs in your car and drove down a rough road, it would bounce uncontrollably as the spring compressed and released this energy over and over again. 1A Auto carries complete struts for most vehicles, which means that a strut replacement can be an easy driveway job. If you have any of these issues, you should visit 1AAuto.com for replacement shocks or struts, and always replace shocks or struts in pairs.